So this is the indoor sound test for the DJI Mic Mini. Currently we are at the Berlin Alexanderplatz. I'm making the background noises, just so you know. And this is the sound test for the DJI Mic Mini outside test. Currently we are at the Berlin Alexanderplatz. The microphone is just up there. It uses a dead cat. It surpasses the unwanted sounds. It's the outside mode with a nice music. It holds up pretty much, so it doesn't want to fall down. You can just use it, just clip it and just put your receiver and go. Currently we are a very loud environment, so if you can hear my sound clearly, that means that just the Mic Mini does its job very good.